Hi guys, hope you're doing well. This is my 2011 328i BMW. This procedure will work on other models as well. In this particular case, between 2009 and 2013, 328i or 335i. My battery is kind of low. I'm going to start the procedure with the engine running, but you can do this without engine. But make sure that you're inside the car and you close the door. So we'll insert the key, start the car, wait for your dash for the lights to clear and settle. It'll take a few seconds, so you have your temperature and time. So that's a sign to start. On the left side, on your directional side, you have two buttons you're going to use. There's a BC button, which is your computer button, and a toggle switch, which will go you to the menu. So we'll use the toggle switch to go to the menu. Check control, oil, clock, settings, service info. We hit BC button once. That brings us to the menu we want to be. This is the service light indicator. This is where we want to be. So go back to the BC button, press and hold. It'll take a few seconds. That brings you to the menu that shows you the month and a year. You can use your toggle switch then to go up or down to change the month. In this particular case, well, let's say May. We'll hit the BC button once. That brings us to the year. Again, you probably don't want to go out more than 1 year. So in this case would be 2021. Hit the BC button and the reset, and you're done. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Thank you.